So hello everyone, I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In the previous lesson, we learned about if-else statement, and in lesson 5, we are going to learn loops in Python. So let's start today's class. What is a loop? A loop is a programming construct that allows us to repeat a block of code multiple times. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स में लूप का यूज तब होता है जब हमें सेम टास्क को बार बार एग्जीक्यूट करना हो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग द सेम कोड अगेन एंड अगेन. Loops make our code shorter, cleaner, and more efficient. Why loops matter? Loops are very important in programming because they help up with automation. It means the task automatically repeat हो जाते हैं. Clean कोड छोटा और रीडेबल हो जाता है. एफिशिएंसी मींस कोड को मेंटेन करना इजी हो जाता है. So in Python there are two types of loops. First one is for loop and second one is while loop. Both loops are used to automate repetitive tasks in program. For loop, first let's talk about the for loop. First one is for loop. First, let's talk about the for loop. A for loop is used when we know how many times we want to repeat something. The syntax for loop is this, and example is for I in range 5, print hello. We give 5 at the range, then get output 5 hello. Means when we take range 5, then that it generates numbers 0 to 4. So the loop runs 5 times. Okay. Like in this example code for I in range 1 to 6, print I. Then range 1 to 6 generates a number from 1 to 5. A loop runs 5 times because we need 1 to 6 range, or each iteration prints the current number. Like we got the loop runs 5 times, then the iteration number is 5, like here written, and the last number is 5 because we need 1 to 6 range. Okay, the first one is 1 and second one is while loop. Now let's understand the while loop. A while loop runs as long as condition is true. The syntax of a while loop is this: while condition code to execute, update condition. Example is I is equal to 1 while I is less than 5. Print I is equal to I plus 1. Like first we initialize counter. Set starting value like 1. Check condition I is less than equal to 5. Execute code, then print current value. Update counter increased I by 1. Okay. So for loop versus while loop. Now let's see the difference. For loop used when number of iteration is known. जब हमें number of iteration पता होती है तभी हम for loop use करते हैं. Uses ranges function and ideal for iterating over sequence, and its syntax is more shorter. And for while loop runs based on a condition. First the condition is checked before each iteration. Okay. It is useful when iteration depend on dynamic logic, requires manual counter management. So let's take a real life example. Suppose you want to send good morning messages to 10 friends. Without loop, you write the code 10 times. And with loop, you write the code once and the program repeats it automatically. This is why loops are very powerful in programming. So in today's class, we learn about what is a loop, for loop, while loop, difference between for and while loop. In the next lesson, we learn about break, continue, and pass statement in Python. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your doubts, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you. Keep supporting